What is going on, everyone? Today brings us to the Munger Potato Festival 2021 down here in Munger, Michigan. It's a little town about 10 miles southeast of Bay City. Tonight they're going to have the figure eight, rear-wheel drive figure eight, the turn back the time figure eight, which basically is how the rear-wheel drive cars were back, say 15-20 years ago. Pretty easy the way the builds were, not a whole lot of modifications. And they got a derby, front-wheel drive derby afterwards for the finale. About a half hour before showtime. They're getting ready for the drivers meeting right now. Everybody's going up there for it. So let's give a little tour of all the cars in competition tonight. Here's one of the turn back the time figure eight cars. Looks like a Buick. It's Chad Palmerator. They don't have a lot of them. It's kind of surprising. There's not a lot of them turn back the time figure eight cars, but we'll see how it goes. It's something new they brought back, and give it a little try and see how it goes. And here's Chad's car, his modified rear-wheel drive figure eight car. He ran down in Fowlerville yesterday. If you see on my videos from Fowlerville figure eight Wednesday night, they were really cooking down there. And here's Jonathan Noyce. He got flipped on his lid, got caught right in the corner last night by one of the other figure eight drivers. Right there you can see. That's where I was told that he got knocked, and it just spun him right over. Put him on his top. Pretty fast car. There's Chris Sobex. He's in his car. You've seen him run in Bay County. He's gonna run the figure eight here. That's yours? Yeah.
My dad's.
Gonna try it out, huh? The old turn back the time. What do we got here?
It's a Malibu.
A Chevy Malibu. Looks pretty nice. About how long did it take you guys to build this kind of car compared to, the mod car? Does this take a long time to build, or?
No, realistically, consecutive time?
Yeah.
Probably a week, 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Just doing a little bit here and there, There's not, welding all the body panels probably took me 45 minutes.
Oh, that ain't too bad.
No.
Fun to build, or?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice when you have limits.
Yeah.
Because then, like my brain, I just keep thinking, okay, what else can I do? I can do this, I can do this, I can add here, and it never stops. At some point, you gotta make yourself call it good.
Yep.
And these things, when you got a limit, you're like, all right, that's as much as I can do.
Makes it fun.
Yeah.
Because it's all pretty much a fair playing field. Nobody really has an advantage in them.
Exactly.
I'm interested in seeing how
I don't think
the old, back in the day, early 90s.
Were you around back then to watch them?
I watched them, oh yeah. Yep, when they actually were cars and they're not all this plated, which I'm not knocking it, that's cool, but this is also cool right here.
Oh, absolutely. Like I said, it's to go out there and run these cars.
Yeah.
You gotta have more skill.
Yep.
You have to be able to drive the car, because you're not gonna go out there and just hit another car and your shit not bend.
Right. It's a driver sport.
Exactly.
This is gonna be more of a.
You said, I'm not knocking these cars because I built these cars, drove these cars.
Mm-hmm.
But this is, in that you can go out there, you punch somebody, you don't care because your stuff's not gonna bend. It's not,
right. Yep. This, it will. You got to kind of watch a little more and be an actual.
Yeah, you got to pick and choose your holes, your hits, you can't just go out there and body somebody.
Yep.
You have to be a smarter driver.
Exactly.
Not necessarily
It's a driver's sport.
Exactly.
Driver's sport. Looks pretty good, man. Looks good. Tell your dad I said good luck, all right?
Absolutely. Thanks, Chris.
Yep, you're welcome. Very nice looking car. Oh, they got the driver's meeting here. This is Devin Wood's car. And Danny's car.
That was the idea of that class, man. That's harder. I don't know. So you guys want to talk about it? Let me know before we do.
Yeah, I ain't that about that.
Oh, we got alumina here. What's up? Who's driving this?
Oh, that's Brandon's.
Oh, it's Brandon Corthall's, huh? Gonna try to turn back the time figure? Or no, that's for the Derby, isn't it? Nice.
Probably for Brandon.
Oh, I think it will, yeah. Cool.
Should be a good show.
Tell him I said good luck, all right? There's Mike Walls. It's front wheel drive. How you doing? We're doing. Wow. A lot of shout outs on there, huh? Shh.
Everyone he can think of.
That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Be fun seeing him out there in a front wheel drive derby car. I haven't seen him in, I've seen him in the racing, but I have not seen him in the actual front wheel drive derby car, so. Is he excited or is he? More than probably in the.
For Saturday night also.
Does he? Is he more excited running these than he is the rear wheel drive or?
Well, this year.
This year he is. Well, hey, maybe it's something.
Giving up on the big ones. So.
Maybe this might be kind of, maybe a turn-in. If he has fun in it,
Never know.
less money. So, well, tell him I said good luck. He's over there at the driver's meeting. Nice to see you too. Here is Tim. Tim's car. He is ready to race. That's what he said. He is ready to go. It's all set to go. That's Chris Dowd's car. These are all derby cars right here. Got a Cobalt, a Buick Century, a 90s style Buick Century, a couple vans. Hi. Richie Mealins is driving this one, I think. This is Chris Jones that is driving this one, I'm pretty sure. Jonesy. He also brought his big car for the figure 8, which is on the other side here. Jonesy's driving that. So we're gonna loop around over here. Still filling up in there. Track is just begging to get raced on. Looks good.
Nice seeing you, mister.
Hey, nice seeing you too. Long time no see.
Oh, yeah.
Should be a good night.
Yeah, 24 big cars, they said.
That's pretty good, really.
Yeah,
All
they
things
said they've been
considered.
averaging 20, 21, so
Yeah.
be a good show.
Oh yeah.
They're doing a little different tonight. They're running first to the feature. Your second and third go to the fifth heat, and your fourth and fifth or fifth and sixth go to
Oh, they're okay. They're giving
to
everybody a
16.
second
Yep,
chance.
Yep.
That's good. They deserve it. They really do. That's pretty good. Giving them a fair shot. Equal chances. And Justin Kraft's car. His dad's here with his car too. What's up, Mike? Good. You? Good to be here, right? Looks to be a good one.
Oh, yeah. If I had a cage, it'd be a different story. Yeah.
Yeah, no one has a cage and there's a Jonesy. We got
Right.
this one. Right. That's
Ken Morley's car.
Side to side, I mean, they probably don't have to push the tires all the way out either.
Oh, he put some new tires on the back.
Tires to like the middle of the track and try and stay over there.
And Mike's car, this is gonna be the first run on it. New motor, looks pretty fresh. Been working on it pretty much all winter. Mike Giffen's car. She should be a screaming machine tonight. There's Chris Light's car. I had my GoPro in his car at Bay County a few weeks ago, which was pretty cool. That is a fast car. Very fast.
Wait a minute. No, it's all you gotta have is one motor. The rules say one motor. That's what it
Chaz,
says.
oh, Brad.
One motor. One motor you must have. And you
Both the
gotta run
brothers.
the tires, That's it. That's all that counts.
We could go around that many laps.
Come to the races watching.
Got the flannel shirt.
Hey, nice to see you again.
What's up, brother?
What's up?
You alright?
Oh yeah, you?
Good.
Track looks good.
Good, I'm hoping.
You first heat or second?
Second heat.
What's going on?
Just waiting.
I
I'm
like
waiting.
That picture you got.
I know, isn't that cool? That is really good. You gotta blow that.
CJ and I and the other two ain't with us, you know. I saw like to get a picture with all of us. That'd be cool.
Oh, there's still
We got
time. You got time.
All right.
That's one to blow up though. That's all
yeah.
portrait that.
Yep, you're right.
Oh,
You're
yeah.
right.
Yeah, that track looks
Just
really
that
good.
corner.
Looks really. Yeah, that. Yeah.
I blew the tire and I blew a ball joint, both of them.
Well, I've been sitting, so hopefully it's settled down enough and packed in enough, and we'll see.
Time will tell.
Yeah. Yep. We changed our location a little bit over there. We're more on this side now, so we're going
Oh, is that right?
not instead of straight on.
I
Yep.
got you.
Yep. Little something different. Try a little, tweak it a little bit.
Get ready for championship, right?
Yes. Yeah. Oh yeah. Good luck, guys.
Hi, buddy. I thought
Yep. This is Scott Resler's car. He isn't racing. I don't know who's racing it, but it's a brand new car. I think this is the third run on her. Brand new built car. He got hurt in Standish last weekend. This is Ronnie Witt's car. He broke it last night down in Fowlerville. So he fixed her up and she's ready to roll. Derek Duke and Anna Duke. They were down in Fowlerville also.
He hits this thing one more time in the passenger door, he's going to have to build a new car.
I heard that. Hey, you guys were racing good last night. That was good. Well, there you go, guys. The complete look at the first night of 3 of the Munger Potato Festival 2021 of the rear-wheel drive figure 8 and the front-wheel drive Demolition Derby. And also, if you haven't done so, feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon up in the top right. Be instantly notified of any videos in the next coming weeks that are uploaded or where we are at. Till next time, keep rocking that thunder.